In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in Pekao Bank Online Poland. So go to Google, search for Pekao, this keyword, and then click the first result here. After that, you will see this official website. From here, click a login option, and then click a login option, as I say, this option from here. After that, just await a few seconds to this website to see this website, and then enter your customer number or username from here, and then click this option login. So if you want to log in to have to another way to log in, just click this one. This is for if I make a transaction here, translate to English. This is also login option. Just click this one, and then you will see login page. Just write your login don't TV your TV here, and then click login. If you want to log in through this app, just click Pekao app and then download this app on Google Play. After download this app, you will see just like this page login. Just enter your login user TV and then click this one. So this is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Keep watching.